1967 Alfa Romeo Giulia Spider Duetto. Price $12,338. Location Montana, USA. The 1967 Alfa Romeo Giulia Spider Duetto is one of the most beautiful Italian roadsters ever created. With its iconic boat-tail design and timeless styling, this classic convertible captures the spirit of 1960s European motoring like few other automobiles can. The example featured here is a matching numbers project car, making it an exciting opportunity for collectors and restoration enthusiasts. Matching numbers classics are highly sought after because they retain their original identity and historical authenticity, adding significant appeal for future ownership and preservation. Power comes from a 1,600cc engine paired with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission. The driving experience is enhanced by dual Weber carburetors, providing the classic performance character that Alfa Romeo enthusiasts have admired for generations. Every gear change reminds drivers why Italian sports cars earned their legendary reputation. Additional highlights include 4-wheel disc brakes, Jaeger instrumentation, chrome bumpers, steel wheels, and Alfa Romeo branded hubcaps. Inside, bucket seats, a fender-mounted mirror, toggle switches, and a glove compartment create an authentic vintage cockpit that transports drivers back to the golden age of motoring. Although this Duetto currently requires restoration, it offers tremendous potential for the right enthusiast. Once completed, it could become a stunning collector's car, weekend cruiser, or showpiece celebrating the rich heritage of Italian automotive design. Opportunities to restore a classic Alfa Romeo Spider Duetto at this price point are becoming increasingly difficult to find.